Now in case of suppose 0.316 recurring is there. Okay, so it can be written as 0.316316 dot dot dot. So 0.316 recurring into 1000 will give you 0.316, sorry, 316.316 and dot dot dot. Okay, so 0.316 recurring into 1000 minus 0.316 recurring will give you 316.316 recurring my dot 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 minus 0.316. So 0.316 recurring common, 1000 minus 1, this will give you 316. So 0.316 into 999 will give you 316. Like that, 0.316 recurring can be written as 316 by 999. Similarly, you can write suppose 0.719. Okay, so this recurring means the total point is recurring. Okay, so total 3 terms are recurring. So 3, it will be 719 by how many nines are there? 1 2 3. Okay, so 3 digit, so 3 nines, because all over these 3 there is recurring. Okay, so this is the very simple way. Next, in case of a particular number, suppose 0.17, but in this time only recurring is there. So what does it indicate? It indicates 0.1777 and dot dot dot. Okay, so 0.17 into 100 will give you 100. So how many place point shift? It is shifted by 2, because 2 zeros are there. So 17.7777 and so on. Okay, now you think 0.17 into 10 will give you 1.7777 and so on. Okay, so if you subtract this one from this one, so it will give you 0.17 recurring into 100 minus 0.17 recurring into 10 is equals to 17.7777 dot 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 minus 1.7777 dot 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 dot. So it will give you 17 minus 1. So it will give 0.17 recurring 100 minus 10, or 0.17 into 90 is equals to 17 minus 1, or 0.17 recurring is equals to 17 minus 1 by 90. Okay, so similarly you can write suppose 0.23. So how to write? Very easy. At first write down 23, then here only recurring is on 3, so in 2 there is no recurring, so subtract that term 2, and then recurring digit 3, so that write 9 there for that, and for non-recurring write 0. So this is the easy technique by which you can write the numbers. Okay, now in case of more than or a number which has not only decimal but another number, that is a decimal number like this. Suppose 2.73. okay, and only recurring is here. So how to write down? Very easy. Again it can be written as 2.7333 and so on. Okay, so multiply 2.73 into 100. Point will shift to place on the right hand side. So 273.333. okay, now 2.73 into 10 will give you only one place, it will shift, so 333. okay, and so on. So when you subtract 2.73 into 100 minus 2.73 into 10, you will get 273 minus 27, or 2.73 dot 100 minus 10, you will get 273 minus 27, or 2.73 into 90 is equals to 273 minus 27, or you can get 2.73 is equals to 273 minus 27 by 90. So very easy to write down. Similarly, you can write down in case of a number which is like 4.42. okay, in this case write the whole number 442. okay, then without recurring write all of the digit, because here not 0 is not here, so you need to write down 44 like this, because in the previous case if you only write, suppose here is only 0, so 4 is written, okay, 0 4 and 4 is same, so you can write only 4, but in case 44, so you need to write 44. okay, and then for recurring, how many digits are there? 9, so only one digit is there, so for 1 9, and for this 2 digit you need to write only for this digit which is after recurring, after the decimal point. So after the decimal point, how many non-recurring digit is there? Only one. So for that only write 10, not 20, only write 10. You need to calculate the number of digit, no, non-recurring digit placed after the decimal point. okay, so very easy to remember. So now I am giving you the examples, few examples. okay, few type of numbers. Suppose at first 1 2 3, first suppose 0.6, next 0.16, next 0.16, like this, next 1.16, like this. okay, so how to write down? In this case 6, only one recurring is there, so only 9, but in this case you need to write 1 6, and how many recurring is there? 2, so write this. okay, in this case you need to write 16 minus how many non-recurring is there after the decimal? 1, so write down 1 is here, and then for recurring 9, and for non-recurring digit, how many non-recurring digit is there? So 0. But in this case 116 write down, then non-recurring this one, because we need to calculate 1 here, so 1 1, and then 9 for this, and for how many places, for how many digits are there after the decimal is non-recurring? Only 1, so write 0, like this. Now you need to do the simplification, like 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, so you can write 2 by 3. It cannot be, okay, in this case it can be, okay, or like this. okay, so thank you. So up to this you need to learn, and then you need to go through the chapter from the book and you need to do the maths. Okay, thank you.